Big ups everyone. Benjamin once again. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel and the terms used and how to use it. So before I can continue, I remind you to please subscribe, like our videos, and also comment on the videos. And so this is the overview of what we are going to go through at this juncture. So briefly, this is what we are going to be doing, and we shall be seeing the description of the MS Excel terms by I myself. So this is the outline of the terms. You see the first term as book, workbook, a worksheet, a cell reference, a formula, a function, the formula bar, the name box, and then we shall be defining each term as we see how it's used. So these are the terms with their definitions. So in the exact video I'll be showing you how they are used. Okay, so please, before we can continue, I remind you to subscribe, like, and comment on our videos. So and Microsoft Excel, to start it, you click on the start button here, and you can search and say MS Excel. It has brought it for you. Click on it, and now this is our Excel workbook. As we saw, the first term under the definition has been a workbook, and so this is what I was meaning. This a workbook. We've seen it's the entire Excel document comprised of the rest of the Excel features. It can be related to a book containing papers and pages in it. So the whole document of Excel is termed as a worksheet. Then the next term is a worksheet. This is just an individual page within the Excel document. So to the left, I'm illustrating the meaning of the terms, while to the right is the Excel page, as you can see. So we have already said the whole document is called a workbook, while a worksheet is an individual page within the document, within the workbook. So each workbook can contain as many sheets as possible. When I click on this plus, another sheet can be added. So these are the sheets. It's just related to pages in your exercise book. So a page is what we call a worksheet here in Excel. So as we continue, the other term could be a cell. A cell, for it, it's a single smallest box made by intersection of a row and a column, just like here. You know, this one, this highlighted is a column, while this is a row. So where the two rows intersect, where the column and the row intersect, they form a small box called a cell. And so As about the cell reference is also related to a cell. This is the specific way of identifying or naming a given cell or a cell range, meaning there are many cells in a given category. So as you can see here, it's a specific way to identify or name a cell or a range of cells. Usually a column name is named as an alphabet, while the row's name is a numeral. So a cell is normally named in the order column name, then row name. For example, A1. So just see here, in this box above, we shall come to find out the name of this box, and this box here shows you the name of a cell, of an active cell, meaning even if I shift it to another cell, it will still tell you the name of the cell. So without wasting any more time, we can look at the types of reference, types of cell reference, my friends. Yes, we have relative cell reference. For this, we shall appreciate this when we come to the formula. For a relative cell reference, the formula on cell keeps changing as you shift to another cell. So we shall elaborate this more in our next video. Endeavor to follow. And the other type of cell reference is absolute cell reference, and it identifies a range of cells whereby the cell that is referenced it will remain the same when you shift to another cell. And what you shouldn't forget is that for absolute cell reference, we normally use a dollar sign when you are giving the reference of that cell, or for the reference for the cell range, you normally use dollar signs. So this I've inserted here is a dollar sign. So I'm giving an example for absolute cell reference. You normally use a dollar sign. For example, dollar sign cell A, dollar sign again for the row name. So this is what we call absolute cell reference. In addition, leaving a cell reference there, we continue to a formula. For a formula, it is a user-defined expression that is used for performing mathematical calculations, and for it's used to calculate. It's used for calculation, mathematical calculation, and it's the user who designs the expression. That's a formula. Unlike a function, for it is a system-defined formula used to perform a specific task on one or more cell values. An example, taking you back a bit, an example of a formula is A1 plus B2, A2 plus B2. This is a formula. We are going to see this in the next video, and don't forget to always follow me. So for a formula, Then a function for it, it's already designed in the computer system, and an example could be sum, meaning addition. So in addition, a formula bar. For this, a formula bar, as we come to the end, a formula bar means this space just above the worksheet here, the space above, please follow my cursor, where you see the content of the active cell being displayed. Hope we are together. It is a horizontal bar above the worksheet indicating the contents of the active cell. This is our active cell. For example, if I shift to this, it's empty, it contains nothing, and so in the formula bar there is nothing. While this one, which has something, its content is displayed in the formula bar. And in relation to formula bar, we also have the name box. So now we appreciate the name of this box. Left to the formula bar, just above the sheet, it's called a name box. For it, it identifies the name of the active cell. For example, when you shift to another cell, the name also changes. I hope you appreciate this. Then, so this is the end of the description of our terms, and so please remind you not to forget to subscribe. Please endeavor to subscribe, like our videos, and also comment on them. Thanks for watching. I remain your Benjamin.
Okay.